Hello everyone, welcome back to the video lessons of the IMPACT IELTS. In this particular video, which is video number 13 of IELTS academic reading, I'm going to do the question type complete the diagram. In coming two videos, I will do classification and summary completion. We have already done this question type earlier as well. So before begin to do this, perhaps you should go through those so that you can take the clue. Anyway, I'm going to do it again. It is a bit different, so I'm going to do it again. So let me remind you the formula. The first thing you will do is that you will read the passage to understand is what is about. Number one. Number two, you will assume that first question type will appear first, which is complete the diagram here. But you will look at the other two type of questions and you will try to find or pick one key expressions from each of them so that you can hint it if you come across these question types while doing the first question. So let's underline the keyword here is the study of Hunt and Gray. So wherever you get the name Hunt and Gray, perhaps that will mark the beginning of this question type. And here these answers cannot be in sequence. That let me remind you this also. But then this name will definitely be there, and then you will get all these answers after that name. We will discuss later in next video about this in details. Then we have complete the summary questions, so you can take one keyword from here also. It used to be thought that only human being use tools, so wherever you come across only human being use tools, it's difficult one, but there you need to underline, right? And in the end the answer is given. So let's go back. Now we have got two keywords, Hunt and Gray, and only human beings used tools, right? And we'll start doing with this diagram completion. So these answers are in sequence. Sometimes in one sentence or in one paragraph you might not find it in sequence, but in one sentence, so I mean you can take it logically, or in one paragraph. So let's begin with the first keyword. The crow makes a cut in the leaf. The crow makes a cut in the leaf, then dash away a section. So crow makes a cut, that you have to find out. And you can see the picture also, no? He dash away the sections, he tear it away, perhaps some type this kind of words you will have to find out. So let me find out crow makes a cut. That's the first thing we have to find out. So we'll start reading from here. Crow makes a cut. Crow is there. Crow makes a cut. A leaf is also something that we have to find out. No. So you know sometimes you can get the answer very late also. Let me see. There is something that he's saying. Okay, only human beings can do it. See, this is saying pointed to the use of tools as being defined behavior of human beings. Perhaps it can be the place of getting the answer of last question type. I'm not sure, but you need to underline some. So I have highlighted it. This is my hint. You may drop any hint here, right? Many animals also use them, so perhaps though, but I'm not getting what I'm looking for. But only humans were thought to have the brain power required for cumulative technological evolution. So only human, again the same thing perhaps, so you will get the answer here. But what I'm trying to find is crows make a cut and leaf. So leaf, yes. With their evolving leaf tools, the birds have levered men off his pedestal, but no growing and cut. Oh, we will see another keyword we have got. So now we know that where we have to find the answer of question type 2. So this is here, and question type 1 that I got earlier. So you can see how important this trick is. Otherwise you will finish a section, you will start reading again and again, so you cannot finish that in 20 minutes. Local crow industry scientists, the birds reap the leaves. Okay, so now you got reap. If you know the meaning, that means cut. So birds reap means he is talking about making a cut. And if you can recall the figures, what does it away to the leaf? The leaves of, so reap the leaves of the pandanus tree to fashion 3 distinct type of tools for grub, insect and extraction. Long ago the bird discovered that they could reap again. So this is the answer. They could reap. This rated as off. So the answer is reap. The first answer is reap. Let's see what is the next question word we have. The next question word is dash leaf. He's saying dash leaf. Dash leaf. So which leaf? I have to find out the name of the leaf. Right. The name of the leaf. The leaves of. You see, this is the name. So this is the pandanus tree. So pandanus leaf. So you got the answer of the second question. Okay, let's come back to the next question. This is he's saying evolution of the crow's leaf tool, and I've told you this figures are equally important. You can see there are some differences between these figures. So evolution of the crow's leaf tool, dash tool, and see the sign. At first it was dash tool, then it becomes narrow tool, and that becomes it watts. So and there are 2-3 steps they're talking about. Okay, steps, 2-3 steps. Let's see, where is it? So we were here. The scientists found that birds 3 distinct. So 3 perhaps is very important because there were also 3 distinct types of tools for grub and insects extractions. Wide, so narrow is also there, you can see. So first is wide, second is narrow, which is given, and third is tapered. Yes, so we have got the answer. But if I miss it here, can I get it somewhere else? The skill is spread by either narrowing or tapering them. Again the same thing in force. Design, the crow nips the leaf, rips along the fibers. Again we are getting the same answer. The crow nips means cut the leaf, rips along, I have already given this answer, makes another cut and tears again, repeating until it has tool with usually 2, 3 or 4 steps. Okay, so we got the answer. Answer is wide. Number 1 is wide, and the last one is tapered. So can you see this, that all those 4 or 5 answers are given in just one line? You can see one line. Here is the reap, the name, and then you have this tool. So everything is given. Right. Let's see which question is the next. Okay, so that was the last question. So that's all about this diagram completion. What we have also done, that we have also marked the beginning of question type 2 and question type 3. So from there we will start the next video, which will be video number 14. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.